Hi, Careers class. It's Miss O'Neill. I'm currently inside your Career and Financial Management class on Canvas, and I'm getting ready to explain to you what it is I'm expecting for you to get completed, so that way you are up to date or keeping up with the work, okay? So on the home page, there are two modules that are listed, okay? Let's start with the one from last week. It tells you to start at the top of the module and work your way to the bottom. And you will have assignments every Monday and Wednesday, which is opposite from your math class on Tuesdays and Thursdays, okay? So kind of trying to space it out a little bit. For your Monday and your Wednesday assignments, you will have your writing prompts just like you did in class. I tell you to respond to the writing prompt below, and how to respond. You're going to hit reply, type your response, be careful with punctuation and making sure you're capitalizing your sentences. Once you've reread your responses and are ready to post, hit post reply. So in this case, we have our writing prompt, and it says, what is your greatest strength about doing schoolwork at home and why? So you would go and hit reply, which is right here. It's got a text box so you can go ahead and type in and be able to reread your information, okay? And once you're ready and you believe that you've done and answered your question, you're going to hit post reply, okay? And then it will pop up and you're good for Monday's post. If you are feeling a little bold and want to do Wednesdays too, then going back to Wednesdays from last week, it reminds you again how to be able to post your reply, so in case you forgot the directions, they're there again. And Wednesday, April 15th post is asking, would you rather have a pool or a trampoline? Why? So you would hit reply. And a great way to start this out would say, I, with a capital, would rather have, and then fill in the blank, pool or trampoline. Because, give me a reason. And once you're done being able to respond to that and you think you've gotten everything you need, put a period at the end, okay? Or an exclamation mark. Maybe you're really excited about answering this question. Whatever works for you. Whatever you write, please make sure you hit the post reply before you exit, or else all that information is going to disappear and then you don't end up showing it and you have to retype it, okay? The only difference between last week and this week is last week there was a makeup assignment for certain students that did not have an opportunity to post anything in their Canvas course for the third marking period. So if you click on the makeup assignment, it's going to be an Edpuzzle where it's reviewing some of your interviewing practice, which we discussed right before we had school closing. So you're going to load it by bringing it into a new window. Remember what we had discussed. If it doesn't work right away, which I'm not sure, yeah, it didn't work for me. So we're going to exit out, come back to your Canvas course, and hit the little refresh, reload current page, okay? It will bring up the link a second time, and when you click that, it will bring up your video. All right, so you're going to press play, you're going to listen to the video, respond to the questions as it's going along, and you should be making sure to hit that submit button at the end of each question in order for you to continue the video, and it saves it as it goes, so you have to do nothing except for watch and respond, okay? Other than that, each week what you will see on your Canvas course for Career and Financial Management is you will have two discussion posts. Monday's writing prompt and Wednesday's writing prompt. And technically, that's all you got to worry about for careers, okay? So if you have any questions or if you're struggling, please make sure you're reaching out and let me know, and I will help you. Hope all is well. Bye, guys.